Welcome to GearHead Insight, where innovation meets pure adventure. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement of freedom and sophistication rolled into one stunning masterpiece on wheels. The moment you see the 2026 Savana, it demands your attention. Its bold front fascia, wide stance, and distinctive GMC grille instantly communicate confidence. The new LED matrix headlights illuminate the road like daylight, while the sculpted aerodynamic body design ensures the perfect balance of strength and elegance. Every curve, every line of this motorhome has been crafted to enhance performance, reduce drag, and maximize visual appeal. Whether you're parked in a city skyline or driving across a mountain pass, the Savana looks like it belongs everywhere, powerful, refined, and ready for anything. Step inside, and you enter a completely different world, a world of luxury that rivals a high-end penthouse. The interior of the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome is designed to pamper its occupants. The cabin greets you with soft-touch leather seats, polished wooden panels, and customizable ambient lighting that transforms the mood of the entire space. The driver's cockpit features a futuristic 15-inch digital display, integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls seamlessly. Behind the driver's area lies the heart of the luxury, a living space built for comfort. A plush reclining sofa sits opposite a 50-inch smart TV connected to a surround sound system, turning the motorhome into a mobile theater. The kitchenette is compact but complete, featuring a sleek induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, a mini fridge, and plenty of storage. You can cook your favorite meals while admiring breathtaking landscapes outside the panoramic windows. And when the day is done, the lounge area converts into a king-size bed with memory foam cushions, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep even on the roughest roads. One of the highlights of the 2026 Savana Luxury Motorhome is its attention to detail. The restroom is fitted with a rainfall shower, marble-style finishes, and a smart water management system that saves water without compromising comfort. Every inch is optimized to make life on the move feel effortless and elegant. Under the hood, the GMC Savana packs power to match its looks. A robust 6.6-liter V8 engine delivers smooth acceleration and impressive torque, while the advanced suspension system absorbs every bump with grace. With intelligent all-wheel drive, the Savana adapts to any terrain, from icy mountain passes to desert highways. It's not just about getting there, it's about enjoying every second of the journey. Technology takes center stage too. The vehicle features smart home integration, allowing you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment through voice commands. A 360-degree camera system ensures perfect visibility, while adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking systems keep you safe wherever you travel. The Savana isn't just built for adventure, it's built for peace of mind. But beyond the specs and luxury, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome represents something deeper: freedom. The freedom to explore without boundaries, to take your home with you wherever you go, to live life your way. It's for dreamers, explorers, and visionaries who don't want to choose between comfort and adventure. With the Savana, you get both in perfect harmony. Whether it's a cross-country expedition or a weekend escape, this motorhome transforms every trip into a story worth telling. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome isn't just a mode of transport, it's your passport to a lifestyle of limitless exploration and uncompromised comfort. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe to GearHead Insight for more incredible machines redefining the future of travel. Thanks for watching. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube channel You Lost Me and Me.